Good morning to all. Today I am going to explain about the concept of demand curve. How to draw the demand curve. Okay. In previous video we will discuss about the concept of demand schedule. There are two types of demand schedule: individual demand schedule and market demand schedule. Here is also the two types of demand curve also: individual demand curve and the market demand curve. Okay. So let's start. Demand curve. Okay. So what is the meaning of demand curve? So demand curve is what? It is a graphical representation of demand schedule. It is a graphical representation of demand schedule is called the demand curve. Okay. So demand curve is basically the graphical representations of demand schedule. Okay. Here is also the two types of demand curve. Two types. That is individual demand curve. And second one is market demand curve. Okay. So we will discuss one by one. What is the meaning of individual demand curve? Individual demand curve. So individual demand curve is what? It is a graphical representations of individual demand schedule. Individual demand schedule at a particular by a consumer. Are you can write here? By a consumer at a given price during a particular time period, that is called individual demand curve. So it is what? It is basically the graphical representations of what? Individual demand schedule. So in previous video we will already discuss about the individual demand schedule. So we'll just plotted the graph. Just take it price. Price is what? 2, 4, 6 and 8, and the demand by consumer A. So just write any number. You can write 8, 6, 4 and 2. Okay. So price will increase, demand will decrease. Now we have to do what? We have to draw the individual demand curve. Here you can take the price, okay, and here you can take the quantity demanded by a single consumer, okay. So we just take it 2, 4, 6, 8, here 2, 4, 6 and 8, okay. So when the price of the particular commodity is 2, then the demand is how much? When the price is 2, then the demand is how much? 8 rupees. Okay, 8 units. When the price rises from 2 to 4 here, then the demand of particular goods is how much? That is 6. Okay. Now when the price is 6, the demand is 4. When the price is 8 rupees, then demand is, okay. So what we will do is just meet the point Okay, just meet the point. That is, we just write here A, B, C and D. So this is what? This is the individual demand curve. Individual. Now we discuss about the market demand curve. Now already discussed about the individual demand curve. Now we'll discuss about the market demand curve. So what is the meaning of the market demand curve? It is a graphical representation of market demand schedule by the consumer at a given period of time. So here is what? We'll just show the market demand schedule. So already mentions about the market demand schedule. Now what is the market demand curve? We'll discuss in this video. So here you can see that here the price is given, divided by consumer A, divided by consumer B, divided by consumer C, and the market demanded. Already discussed in the previous video. So the price of rupees 246, then demanded by consumer is 8642, and the demanded by consumer B is 10864, and the consumer C 64281. Now what? At the price of rupees 2, the total demand, that is the market demand, is how much? 24. And the rupees of, when the price shifted from 2 to 4, then demand will decrease how much? Then demand will be 18. When the price increases more, then demand will decreases. Okay. So this is the properties of demand. Law of demand, you can say the price will increase, demand will decrease. So this is what? This is the market demand schedule. So what we will do in the market demand schedule? We will add demanded by consumer A, demanded by consumer B, demanded by consumer C. Why you consider only 3 consumer? Because you suppose that only 3 consumer purchase the particular commodities or particular goods and services. So we just consider only the 3. You can consider any number, any 2, you can consider 2, 3, 4 or any number. Okay. So here you only consider 3 consumer available in the market, that is A, B and C. Now see here in previous slide video already discussed about the individual demand curve. This is what? This is the demanded by consumer A, demanded by consumer A. When the price of rupees what? Then price of rupees 2, then demand of that particular is 8. When the price is goes up from 2 to 4, then demand will 6. When price is 6, demand will 4 and 8. So this is what? This is individual demand by consumer A. Now come to the consumer B. Price will be same. First thing is what? Firstly we will draw the graph between the price and demand by consumer A. Now the price will be same, then the demand of the consumer will be differ. Why it will differ? Because of maybe income of consumer A is more than the consumer B, or B is more income than consumer A. Anything can be happen, or we need more because there are more number of families in his house. Okay, so there are so many factors that the price is same and the demand by a consumer will be changes. Okay, will change. Now here the price is 2468. Demand is what? This is demand. Now come to the price. Here you just write what? 10. Huh? So you just write here 10. Okay, and here just write 2, 4, 6 and 8. This is y-axis, so this is price line. This is S. So when the price is 2, then demand by B is how much? 10. When the demand is so you can clearly see that the curve of this is little bit higher than the A. Okay, so this is demanded by B at a particular time period. Now demanded by C. Price is what? 2, 4, 6 and this is price line and this is demand line. Now demand by C is what? 6, 4, 2, 1. So you just write 1, 2, 4. Maybe your gap is little bit less as compared to this, and 6 and 8, or you can write here 10. So what? The price of rupees 2, then demand is how much? Demand is 6. Price is 2, then demand is 6, then price is 4, demand is 4. Okay, this is what? This is the demanded by a consumer C. Now come to the market demand curve. Market demand curve. So what is the market demand curve? That is, price is what? 2, 4, 6 and 8. Price will be same. Okay. Now the here market demand curve, just see the schedule. That is 7, 12, 18 and 24. So you can do by the measurement. Here is just, I just roughly write it here. 7, 12, 18 and 24. This is what? This is the market demand. Okay, this is what? This is the market demand, that is 7, 12, 18 and 24. So when the price of the particular goods is 8 rupees, then the demand is how much? Demand is 7 units. Then price is what? Price is 6, then demand is 12, and the price of the commodity is 4, then demand is 18, then the price of 2, then demand is 20. So just meet the top point. So this is what? This is market demand, or you can write MD is equal to demand by A, demand by C and demand by D. Okay. So this is what? This is the market demand curve. So what we will do, we will add all the numbers. Okay, we will add all the units by different consumer, will get the market demand and plotted the graph of taking this price. So what we will do, this price and making the graph of market demand by using the 2, 4, 6 and 8 as a price. Okay. So this is what? This is the market demand curve. So I hope you understood the concept of how to draw, how to prepare, how to graphical representations of individual demand curve and the market demand curve. Okay. So thank you so much.